Hi everybody, welcome to Christine's Creations. So today I have this paddleboard. I don't know if it's an oar or a paddleboard, or anyway, it's a decorative paddleboard. And I decided to I taped the back completely. And this is my second try. The first try was just like, I had no idea how awkward it was going to be to tilt this thing. So I put it away and then I gave it more thought, and now here's my second. Actually, this is my third attempt. I didn't even show the second one or the first one. So this is, and I had a different idea when I initially started, and I've got this in high speed because once I start tilting, it just is forever. And regarding which blues I'm using, it's just every blue in the book. Okay, if you want to do something like this, just pull all your blues out, pull your sparkly blues and your ultramarine and your phalos, and just go, with blue, you don't have to worry about mixing them up. So unless I just pull out all my blues, I'm not going to be able to tell you exactly which ones I used. But I used every one of those that I just mentioned, plus some sparkly ones in color art. And I've got my trusty swiping tool, and I'm swiping across, as you can see. And initially I wanted to do like a negative space. So you'll understand why I kind of do what I do initially. And so yeah, just swiping the black cell activator mixed with Australian Floetrol. And here's the hard part. There's the up close of, and that box actually came in handy to hold it because I didn't want to like put it down flat. Anyway, I put some swirlies in it because why not? And now that I know what I know about the ending, I'm glad I did the swirlies. And looking at it right now, I'm like, not super sure about it. But, with anything that's new, and working on this type of substrate is completely new, you really just gotta experiment. And if you don't like it, you can always paint over it again or scrape it. So trying to get that edge, that corner covered right there, bringing the paint back and forth to open up the cells, which is going to make it look more blue and less black. And I know it looks like it's moving fast, but man, it was turtle slow. So I'm still trying to keep that negative space, and it's not looking too great. I mean, the negative space, like the swirls, they go wonky if you tilt. Swirls are fine if you spin, but if you tilt, they turn into a jagged line. And at this point, I realize, let's see if I can get it all the way over there and get more of a full coverage swipe look. And there's still that bottom corner. It's pretty imperative that I get it over that. And I did. Whew. Yeah. Now I'm sorry you can't see it, but the camera angle, that upper corner is, I'm kind of worrying about. The paint isn't moving anymore. I tilted it all off. So I just decided to get out the house paint and see if I can get some on there, and then tilt again if I could get it. Last ditch effort for that upper corner. And it is moving. Barely. I mean, glacier. Glacier slow. Love the colors though. Oh my god, that blue. Yeah. It is what it is. That's what it's going to be. So here we go with the finished resined ore. I'm going to show you guys.
Hi everybody, welcome to Christine's Creations. How you guys doing today? So I wanted to show you guys the finishes after I had a resin day the other day. And the paddle board, which I struggled so much with this thing because the shape. It was very awkward, but I stained the wood because it was really light and unfinished. And I just want to give you like a close-up. Turn my ring light. Let's see, I always do this. I always forget. Okay, so anyway, here's a close-up. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, this corner was white, so I actually went in with a paintbrush and painted it before I resined it, and it's fine. So I did do the swirls, which wound up looking, once it got all stretched out and most of the swirls fell off, it wound up giving it wave pattern, just like the ocean, which is really, really cool. This thing, I had to stretch and stretch and stretch, and it was a slow move. So anyway, there's the edge on that side, and it's just beautiful. I love it. And I had to paint it, I think, 3 times before I got it right. But anyway, the next time I do something like this, I'd like the wave pattern because it looks best upright because of the wave pattern, but I would like to try to figure something out to where the wave pattern is this way. That way you could put it over a door. And because it doesn't look weird this way because the water's going the wrong direction. Okay, so anyway, things I've learned, things to do next time, and I am happy, very happy with this final result. Like my video if you do, subscribe if you haven't already, click the bell, share with your friends, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now.